Hey everyone, it's Aviation Lover here. So now we're going to be making an Airbus A330 200 Emirates Airlines. Okay, so we're going to be making this plane model. This is just part 1 and there'll be part 2 and part 3. I think so. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so let's start on with that tail fin. In order to make your plane stronger, the paper you print, get another blank paper and get another blank paper and stick it under this. Now see, it's stronger than A4. So make a line here so it'll be easier to fold. As you know, I'm in my room, my YouTuber room or my toy room, something, or just my bedroom. So you have to make a line like this with a pen or a pencil so it'll be easier to fold, like this. And then go ahead and fold it like this. Oh, it is a bit harder with a stronger paper, which is made by 2 papers. Oh, there we go. And go ahead and add glue and stick it. Oh, never mind. I just heard something. I thought someone was talking to me from outside. Okay. There we go. Wait. My hands are a bit dirty from yesterday. There we go. Wait, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Look how dirty it is. Okay guys, I'm back. Here you go. And go ahead and cut this white space. Oh my god, it looks so strong. Oh. I mean, look at the paper. It's not even thick. It looks like strong. Yeah, strong. And now go ahead and apply to the fuselage. Just add glue and then put it inside. Okay, there we go. Oh man, that is good, bro. Wait. Oh. I think it's not fitting. Hold on. I'm going to add a bit more space. There we go. Maybe it will fit now. Oh, that looks much better. Just making sure it sticks well. There we go. here's how your aircraft should look like. And now go ahead and let's do the horizontal stabilizers. Do the same. Fold it like this. And same on the other side. And then stick it just like the tail fin. Much easier. If you like, put both of the horizontal stabilizers together and you put it in the body, it won't be sticked. You have to do the same like the tail fin, so it will be stick and not move. It'll just be moving like beep, 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 but it won't go like this in the body. That would be horrible. So it's good to make them separate. There. And here's how your tail fin, not your tail fin, I mean the, what do you call that? Yeah. Horizontal stabilizer. And then go ahead and cut the space out. And here's how your horizontal stabilizer should look like. Now go ahead and add it to the body. Just put in glue. There we go. Just apply it to the body. Just making sure it sticks well. Ooh. And there we go. Safe and secure. So I'm gonna skip the other horizontal stabilizer. So I'll skip the other horizontal stabilizer part and put it in the body. Okay, guys. I'm done with the other horizontal stabilizer. Just making sure it sticks well. And there we go. Looks a bit messy there, but here, good. Now do the same, like fold it. Wait, I'll just fold it and I'll show you how. Just a second while I do it great. While I fold it good. Extra secure. Ooh, that almost got stuck. I bet this can't rip or something. Maybe. Where did this come from? Oh yeah. I forgot to show you. Fold it like this. And do the same on the other side. I don't know why I'm in a hurry for some reason. Okay, now go ahead and add glue and stick it. Sorry about that. Sorry about coughing at you. There. Oh, this is strong. Oh, I can't even stick it, bro. Oh my god. This is gonna be hard. Ooh, I can't do it. I don't think I can do it. But I'll try. I will try. Oh my god. I can't do it. Wait, I did it, I think. Yes! I did it. Oh my god, that looks so insane. That is strong. Oh. Oh. Oops. Did something wrong, but it didn't rip. Of course not. It will be impossible to rip it. Let me just go wash my hands and come sticky. Okay guys, I'm back after washing my hands. Now it's sticky anymore. Just dealing with something. You think I washed the plane too? That would be horrible. Maybe it was like weird for some reason. Wait a second. Okay, never mind. Here's how your aircraft looks. Should look like I meant. Oh, and remember the part when I couldn't even stick it. But that was a miracle. That's gone, and this happened. It looks good, hey? Let's do the tail now. As you know from all the other videos, do the same. My hands are getting sticky now. This is what I hate. Just kidding. Wait a second. Hold on. I'm just making something smaller because it won't stick. Ooh. I slipped my hand, but it's okay. Okay, now it fits. Just give me a second while I stick this little aircraft. That was also so insane. I can't believe this paper is so strong. It's so strong. It's like rock, sort of. No way. It's no way rock. But it actually is really insane that the paper is so strong. It's so strong. Oh, that was easy. The tail was much easier this time. My glue got upgraded. Oh, I think this didn't stick well. Hold on a second. Just making sure it sticks well. And there. Here you go. Oh, I actually like this paper. It looks good. It looks sort of good. Yeah, it looks good. I like this paper. Maybe I should do this to all airplanes. Look, the tail looks so neat. I can't believe this paper. It's so strong. It's so strong. I just love it. I love it. Here you go. The results of the tail and the tail wings. It's not even a wing anyway. It's a horizontal stabilizer. You hear me out? Sorry. Wait a second. This just didn't get stick well. Not the tail, this in the front and the nose. Just making sure, just adding some glue so it will be extra secure. There we go. As I said, extra secure. Take my advice, please. Okay, now do the same like the tail fin. The tail. Do the same like the tail and the nose. I'm just doing the tail. Not the tail. What is it called? My hands are still getting sticky. Whoa! That sounded like sort of plastic. Oh my god, this paper will really help me out sometimes. I love this paper. I really do. I'm just talking while I'm making an airplane. That's kind of time wasting. Oh man. Oh, never mind. I don't know why I said that. Oh yeah, I said that because I can't get this to stick well. It's stuck, but I don't think it'll stick well after some time. I don't know why I got up, but still struggling. Before, the tail was hard for me, but now it's the opposite. The tail was easy for me, but now this is hard for me. Hard paper. Oh, I think I got the hang of it. Sort of. Okay, I think I do. I have the hang of it. Don't worry, guys. I got the hang of this. If you guys know RFS, Real Flight Simulator, I'll send you the description, the name of the game, of this game, and you can search it on Apple Store, App Store or Play Store. Play Store? Yeah, I think so. I think it's called Play Store for app. You can get it on Android or iPhone. Apple, I mean. Hold on. There are many brands of Androids and Apple. Hold on, I'm just I'm doing the other side. Wait, hold on. Okay guys, I'm done. I just want to wash my hands. And now I'm back. And I'm done with the nose. You think I took the plane with me to the bathroom and did it? No, I didn't. I just came back from the bathroom and I did it here. Here are the results of my amazing aircraft. Not really. If you don't like it, don't like it. But if I like it, I like it. Well, that is a deal. And here are the results of my aircraft. As you can see, the nose looks pretty good, as you can see. And also the tail. Wait, oh yeah, I saw that. I guess you saw that hole. There we go, guys. And here are the results of my aircraft. Oh, actually, I'm gonna show you the drop. The sound of the drop. You know, like, wait, I'll get one of my other airplanes and show you the drop of normal paper. Let's see this one. Sounds like paper. Wait, hold on. And this one? Which one sounds harder? The Emirates or the Air India? Of course, the Emirates. You remember this? Okay, guys. Actually, this might be one of my best aircrafts. Where's that sound? Never mind. This might be one of my best aircraft because it looks a bit plastic. Okay guys, that's all for part 1, and we have 2 more videos to make, part 2 and part 3. We'll do that. We'll make one today part 2 will be in the afternoon and part 3 will be in the night. Bye, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and add comment if you like it. Bye.